Welcome back to the KOM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining me today in the studio is Mason Grieve and Ann Ordell, two Chanute Middle School students, and they're here to tell us about their upcoming performance of High School Musical Junior. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So tell me about High School Musical Junior. How's that?
It's a good show. It's gonna be good for.
What's the show about?
So, it's about the High School Musical. I imagine a lot of people have seen it. It's very popular.
Yeah, like it's the Disney movie. Have you guys watched the Disney movie or?
Yeah, we watched it in class.
And what are you guys' roles in the play?
I'm Troy Bolton and
Gabriella.
The iconic couple. Okay. So are you guys doing some, singing along or some dancing?
yes, there will be a lot of singing and dancing.
Nice. How has practicing been going and rehearsals and stuff like that?
It's been good. We had an all-day practice Saturday, and that went really well. We had to work for 8 hours, but it was fun.
All for good work. That's good. So when is the show?
It will be Thursday and Friday, 7 p.m. and tickets are $5 for anyone who wants to come see the show.
Nice. And it's going to be held at the school or?
Memorial Auditorium, Chanute, Kansas.
Are you guys excited for the big day and to showcase everything that you guys been practicing for all those hours?
Yes.
Definitely. Yeah.
Well, can you tell me something about the play that we might not think about? Is it going to be like every scene from the movies, or is there any like new songs or any new?
Well, it's pretty much the same as the movie. I mean, of course, there are little differences because, we're taking it from stage to screen and it's junior and stuff. But, I mean, for the most part, it's pretty similar.
Nice, nice. So tell me about, like you said, you took it from the screen onto the stage. How's that transition? Have you guys noticed a lot of differences and things like that?
A few, yes.
What are some of the differences?
Let's see.
Well,
I got putting you guys on the spot.
Yeah, no.
Do you guys have to, when you're singing and stuff, you have to like project your voice and things like that?
Yeah.
So people in the back can hear you guys and things like that?
yeah.
All right. My last question for you guys is this the first time you guys are in this High School Musical Junior or?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Well, remind us where we can get the tickets, where the play is happening and when before I let you guys go.
Nope.
Memorial Auditorium in Chanute, Kansas, and tickets are $5. So.
Nice. Well, it sounds very exciting. Thank you, Troy and Gabriella. I'm excited to see your show. We'll be right back.